Sorry. Okay, so the first video that we're going to do really quick is how to go ahead and edit your image in Pixlr.com like I mentioned in the email. It's pretty simple, so hopefully it'll go smoothly as part of your process. So you're going to go ahead and go to Pixlr.com/editor, and once you get there, there's going to be a little window here, and it's going to say either create a new image, open from your computer. You can actually open an image from a URL or from Facebook or another image hosting service, but I want to go ahead and open from my computer since I have your images saved there. So I'm going to go ahead and say open from my computer, and it opens to my computer here. I'm going to go to my desktop, and I have a folder set up for the posts that we're going to add to WordPress in the next video. And I'm going to go ahead and choose what image I think will be good for the featured image, which I really like this puppy and St. Bernard one. So we're going to go with that. Okay, so in here, you're going to have your toolbar on the left, and when you click on the toolbar that's this little square, it's the crop tool, it'll come up with this little menu up here. So next to constraint, you want to make sure it says output size, and then there's going to be a box for width and height, and we want to make sure that those are set to 640 pixels wide by 220 pixels high. Okay, so once that's done, we grab our crop tool and we get a little crosshair, and you just drag it over so that it makes it automatically constrains that box so it won't be any other size other than 640 by 220. Okay. And I want to make sure it's just kind of centered here on their faces. Be right here. And then you click on it, double click, and it'll crop it. So now your picture is 640 by 220. And we're just going to go up to here. There's a little menu, File, Save. And you can go ahead and create the name of the image. I named it Corgi Puppy St. Bernard since I figured that might be searched for because it's a funny combination. And so JPEG is fine, and then quality should be somewhere around 80. So I'm going to say OK. And then I'm just going to go once again to my desktop, and I'm going to actually create a new folder for featured image for this post. And I'm going to say Save. Okay, and now my image is saved to my desktop, and it's the right size for your featured image. Okay.